everyone. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to get a plan of this one, plan drawing. And the very important thing right now we need to do is we need to get a plan drawing and a section drawing so that we can give it to the client. So how do I do it? So for that, first of all, let me go with this Control P, and we know the naming of this one. It is View 3D. So here there's something called as Create Drawing, GA Drawing, and for 3D Open Drawing, Create. So the drawing will be created. Yeah. So the drawing is created right now. You guys can see that. For that, first of all, you need to do something. Open layout editor. Let's turn it into A3 and give it OK. So close the editor, save it. Save. So here you can see this one turns to be quite bigger than the one that you see inside. So how do I change that out? For that, just go to the properties. It takes some time. So here, turn this ratio into around 100 or something like that. To modify, apply. Okay. Yeah, as you guys can see right now, this one has turned into smaller version. But the point is right now, whenever you see this, no, this is kind of cluttered, right? Do you think this is a good thing? Like how we can give it like this? Is this a good thing to give it to a client or something like that? No, I don't think so. That is a good thing. So what we need to do, we need to change this out. For that, double click on this. There are a few things that you need to change it from your for the label thing. You can change the label if you want to view the name. Instead, what you can do is remove this off, and here there's something called as text add. So we want to turn this as a plan drawing. So plan drawing, and just give it OK, modify OK, and change the color into something like black or something like that. And here changes into black. If you want a frame you can put it, or else if you don't want it you can also remove it. But let me, I don't think so. Yeah, I'll put this one down. Modify, apply, OK. Modify, apply, and just give it OK. Yeah, see, guys, I've changed this one now. So one thing is changed. The second thing that comes to, I want to change these properties, all those things. How do I do it? For that, refresh. Here, double click on the outside part. Here, there is something called as we can see the dimensions here, right? So here, what we'll do, we'll come here. There is something called as appearance, and I don't want the line to be greenish, and I want the arrows thing to be like this one. And here, this is fine. And text color, I want to make it black. Let's change the font size, and let's turn it into Arial. Yeah, Arial. 12. Okay, modify. Yeah, right now it's changed. So this is one thing that I wanted to change. Next is the dimensioning thing. If you want the grid line to be something like this, or line length, let's turn this into maybe 20. This to be not 20. Let's keep it 15, something like that. 15. Modify, apply. So you can see this one. This has come down. So this is what I can do. Modify, apply, OK, and yeah, now we have changed this one. You can reduce it as per your requirement. Yeah, I guess you can see this one right now. The lines are like this. So if you don't want that thing to happen, you can just come to this one, and here there's something called as short extension. Yes, so modify. You can remove that off if you want. This is how we can do it. And if you want to keep it, you can keep it. Not a problem. So I don't want that to be kept. So I'll just keep it off. And just give it OK, modify. So once this is done, now I want to change some of the things like grid lines, all those things. I want to make it darker or something like that. What I need to do is there is something called as grid in here, and here if I want to change the color, let me keep it the same way, or I'll change this one to this, and yeah, I'll keep it red too, and I'll keep it somewhere between 5 or something like that. Yeah, and I don't want the frame to be, yeah, let the frame be there. So it is kind of better if you keep the frame. So modify, your size has increased now. So just give it OK. Yeah, the thing is modified now. See, modify. Next is part with this one, like here I want to change this one or something like that, and there is a midpoint in here and I don't want that thing to be there. So how do I remove that? Just come to this one, appearance, here offset is there, this is center line, modify, apply, okay, modify, see, we have removed that out. Next is with this thing, the namings, and I don't want that thing to happen like that. So how do I do that? There's something called as part mark in here. Remove this one, profile. Yeah, we'll do one thing, we'll remove the part, assign, modify, apply. Okay, and if you want that to be there, just part position, and we'll go with the part position, apply, and keep it. Yeah, I think it better will keep the profile and assembly position. But here I want to change this. I don't want it this to be that. So how do I do it? Just come to the general thing, and here there is something called as arrow, and I don't want the arrow to be there. So how do I remove that? Just modify, and even if you do that also it doesn't work. So what we'll do, we'll just come here, modify, apply. So right now can you see this one, everything is placed on the section itself, and if you want to reduce the size or something like that, even you can do that also. So this is how we do it. So imagine if I don't want that box to be there also, you can just change this, modify. So the box is removed now. So wherever the arrows are there, those are like for the columns. For that, what you need to do is you need to change this one, modify. So accordingly it has been changed, and some of the places where you can see the columns, all those things, you can see that position somewhere where it will be easier for us to understand how the drawing is like. And if you want to change the like the font size, so you can change that to modify. Yeah, it has been reduced now. So this is how we do it. I don't think so I want to keep this assembly position drawing also in the same, like I want to keep it in the same font size. So now I kept it. So this is how we do it, apply, okay. So now I think it's quite better than the last one. So now wherever you see these things, no, I'll just change this off once, or wherever it is coming out, and I'll make it better now. So now I have made it better. Yeah, this is how we do it. So this is the easy way out. And if you want to add in templates or something, just what you do, you come here. There's something called as edit template. So just go to that. There is a small glitch in this. Just a minute. Say right now here, just left click. Right click. Open layout editor, and add tables. Drawing title. Just here somewhere where you want to add it. Add it off. Close it. Close the editor. Save. Yeah, save. But this is overlapping, so it doesn't look that good. So what you guys can do is, yeah, somewhere here we can place it something like this. We can place it like this. So this is how it works. So the one that we saw at first, I don't think so that was that good. But right now, whatever we have worked on, I think this is kind of better, right? So this doesn't look clumsy or something like that. So for the printout, what you guys can do is just print drawing. Yeah, print drawing here. Print thing A3. Just check the thing. Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, correct. If this is fine for you, you can, if you want to make it colored, you can do that also, not a problem. I go with the colored one, then just print it wherever you want to, you can just save it. Okay. Same way with the layout thing also, it is exact that. The section view. So how you do is just go with Control P, and we can just take it like this, select it like that very easily. What we need to do is in view button there is something called as view list, and whichever section you want to go with. Example, if I'm going with 4 1 4, see, if I want I can go like this, or 2 3, something like this. So if I'm going with this now, just imagine I'll go with 2A first. So if I want to go with this, just give it OK, full screen, and let me change the section of Control P. This is the way I want it drawing to be like. So drawing, create drawing, create drawing, and this is the naming to A. So what you need to do, open drawing, create drawing. The same process here works. So it is just like that. It's not a big deal. So wherever you guys want to remove the grids, so in this case you can remove it, not a problem. Whatever the changes you want to do, you can do it. And if you don't want this to be there, you can change it off. All this, and this is how you do it. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.